What up, good people? Huge shout out to First Team Honda for allowing me to review the 2026 Honda Civic Type R.
In the world of precision meets adrenaline, one hatchback refuses to play by the rules.
Today we're introducing the 2026 Honda Civic Type R, wrapped in a sonic gray pearl. This machine isn't here to blend in, it's here to dominate. Sitting low, just 55 inches tall, with an aggressive 4.8 inch ground clearance. This hot hatch looked track ready before you even press the start button. At 180 inches long, with a 107 inch wheelbase, this Type R delivered razor sharp handling, bold styling, and enough attitude to make sports cars twice its price nervous. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 2-liter VTEC engine pushing out 315 horses for the torque 310 at 3,000 RPMs. And trust me, this thing moves, launching from 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds with a top speed of 170 miles per hour. The Type R proves that you can have a track level performance and a daily driver all in one. And somehow, Honda is still managing to squeeze out 29 mpg on the highway and 22 in the city. Fast, aggressive, and surprisingly practical. That's what makes the Type R legendary. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with red bucket seats with Type R embodied into the headrest. Right here we're looking at a digital gauge. On the left you have your RPMs with your engine temp. On the right you have your MPH with your gas gauge. In the middle you have your MPH. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your audio, USB, Bluetooth, Android Auto. On the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your boost, G-forces, tire pressure, maintenance, and much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your lane keep assist and your menu button. The buttons right here are your safety system with your traction control. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we're looking at a 9-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Honda Link. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control. In the cubby area, you have your 2 Type-C outlets with your 12-volt outlet alongside your wireless charging pad. You have your drive mode with your Type R mode alongside your electronic parking. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a 6-speed manual transmission. The Type R Civic only coming in a 6-speed manual in 2026. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Wow, this is pretty small. You have your glove box for your extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with black cloth seats with red stitching. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have your cup holder area. You have Type R written on the back of the chair to let your passengers know that this is no ordinary Civic, this is a Type R. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 24.5 cubic feet, with all the seats folded down, measuring at 42.5 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. Once again, huge shout out to First Team Honda for allowing me to review the 2026 Honda Civic Type R. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.